Hello friends, welcome to daily analysis of Bank Nifty. Okay, so we are sitting on 18th, we'll draw it on for 19th. See how the market behaved. We are sitting on 18th, so it almost opened flat, came down, then it was during the gap played out, and suddenly at around 1 o'clock, if you see the Bank Nifty fell later. So this was a fall, and again it went to the next support. So you might have seen how the things went up. I hope people might have earned today. Okay, if you follow the trend line, it's pretty straightforward. So if there is this one, if trying to fill a gap here, so what you should do is you should always put a stick stop loss and expect either it's up or down. It went down, one should have got triggered and the other should have gone out of the picture. It's as simple as that. Okay, I will just show you my trade of for today. This is my trade for today. If you look at it, Indus Tower, I just bought it at 350. This is a good stock to buy. No recommendation from my side, but anyways, I'm targeting 400, anything between 380 to 400 as the target. But anyways, there is no recommendation for it. Just because I'm showing my position, you folks might have seen it. Then I shorted 48,000 call, but uh, I removed it early. If you see, look at it, 48,000 call I short at what 299, but I removed it at 232 because I today was Nifty expiry, so I wanted to play expiry. I needed funds, so I removed it. But if in case if I was traded, I would earn more 1,500 rupees. In fee, this one there is a loss of 1,600. I shorted in Nifty in fee with the expectation that tomorrow is the result. And today evening is the result. And whatever I just looked at the headline. The result is not good. So I'm expecting the Infi to should fall down tomorrow. So I shorted Infi. The only mistake which I did was, by mistake, there's a problem with the tool in Zerodha. If you there is an intraday and there is a regular trade, right? So if you select intraday for one of this one, by default that gets selected. So I forgot that I've selected intraday, and at the end of the day it's squared off. But I wanted to keep it for tomorrow for a good return. Nevertheless, so that was a human error. This one 21,100 put. Initially I traded 21,100 put. No, 20,000 21,150 put initially. So if I show you Nifty chart, because I was following Nifty, I don't, as I told you, I draw a bank Nifty trend line, but Nifty trend line and don't draw it. But usually they follow the same. And by looking at the chart, because of 4.5 years experience, I know where the support is, where the resistance is. So initially it came down here, and it was stable. Here it when it came here, I was knowing because it was 2292. So I was knowing that it will bounce back based on the round figure and OI, which I was looking at. OI is open interest. It will bounce back. So it bounced back, and I earned 1,115 rupees. And then 22,000 ka call that I zeroed it off, and then again 22,250 ka call this one. And this is the MIS, this intraday I took it. I bought it 184, sold it at 185. Just bought 500 rupees just to play around with intraday. Because intraday, if you sell, for any stock, you get more margin. So with the help of 22,000 rupees, you can buy 1,000 stock of tomato. So this is what I did MIS, and that became the default one. And when I traded this one, this got squared off. Nevertheless, good day anyways. It was good day, 6,000 earning. But when this got scared of, this got scared of, and 600 got off. Okay, that's it for this. Okay, so why is the bank nifty trend line? Okay, and again, whatever I trade, today I traded max for one trade only. But one given point of time, I was having 22,000 ka call also to 50 ka call, so 2 days. But that's a max, so if you earn 2% or 1%. This loss I mentioned you. This loss was that at around what time I placed that order. The 100 is the time I place the order. 25 with the expectation that it is showing a bounce back from. If you look at this one, right? This is so it was showing a sign of bounce, at around somewhere here, not here. Here somewhere it was showing a bounce, and I thought that it will sustain at least 100. So when I took it at around 27, so I thought it will sustain. And I put a stick stop loss because the trend was negative. I put a stick stop loss and the stop loss was triggered. The end of the day, at what price it might have went, okay, it went at 154. Okay, see, putting a stick stop loss 104. So putting a stick stop loss helps a lot. Nevertheless, coming back to Bank Nifty trend line. If you want me to draw Nifty trend line as well, Fin Nifty trend line as well, I will draw it. Anyways, I need to start drawing Fin Nifty and Nifty trend line as well because many times you look at the chart, you know about it, but drawing a trend line helps. But if you want, I can draw it, but the video will become lengthy, or I can split the videos in multiple things. Okay, so this gone for a toss. Trend line should always be drawn on 15-minute chart, as I mentioned. So this box got this 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 got filled in. Nothing. That's it. So simple. The chart is then nothing in the trend line, and this is where I can draw the resistance as well. So this is the resistance. This bounce. So I think yesterday I missed that. Is it? This one. See, hardly 1 minute of job. If you are drawing a trend line, it's following up, and there is nothing major to it. It just follows, and you just need to trade accordingly. And there are a couple of things which you need to look at. I'll create a video in this weekend as well. One video I've already created about what we should look at. See what happened today. Let's take a step back and think about it. Everything was wholly green during the day. This was green, and this sharp fall. Why did the sharp fall came in? Okay, Dow future is showing positive 223 points, and look at the chart where Dow future also fell down. No, Dow future never fell down during the day, right? So what happened during the day? What happened during the day? Okay, so if you look at it, the big fall, this fall was at around 126. Israel, I think defense minister, somebody made a statement saying that we'll put more missiles, will fire more missiles. It was just a one single statement. Sentiment was negative, and it pulled the market down. And the moment it pulled the market down, all the stop losses got triggered, and people were out of the system. Dow future didn't react to it. Unfortunately, the statement came in during the market hours, and hence our market fall. But if in case it would have come after the market, it would have been just been ignored for the next day. Seeing other futures, hopefully tomorrow should be flat and again it should go up because today morning it was showing a sign of trying to go up once the first fall. Anyways, coincidentally, the only thing which you need to look at is oil price. Oil price, you see it from $90, it came out to be 87, 86.90. It's a good bounce. So that's the only thing which you need to look at nowadays. And somebody is making a statement and people are too sensitive about it, makes the market fall. But hopefully this should be the last fall. If you might have seen one of my shorts, I think, a short or a video I created today morning. So I told that this fall is a golden opportunity to buy good stocks, average good stocks, throw out bad stocks, refresh your portfolio. Golden opportunity to do that, and do it. If you're buying a mutual fund, average it out. Good mutual funds, average it out. Bad mutual funds, either you can remove it or keep it, but don't average it out. So that's the funda which you need to give. And again, I've created another video for mutual funds as well. You might have seen it. So logically speaking, see, I will just show you my mutual fund as well. So actually, mutual, I don't put print too much here and there. So I have three mutual funds. One is the UTI Nifty index, is the 50 large cap mutual fund, is giving 7% return. Quanta small fund and mid cap. So three funds I invest, and this small amount I'm investing from last. This I investing for 6 months. This is just a 1 month and I did 15 days, I think. So I was waiting. I put big money. So hopefully, but tomorrow, in case the market bounce back, I put bigger money into small funds and mid cap. So that's where I am. So people do SIP. I don't do SIP because I'm on top of the market daily basis. Instead of doing SIP, the moment I know the market falls and it's you know, I put the funds somewhere in case if I have funds. Okay, and that's it for today. And also, just one thing, friends, just for information, I am going to start giving trainings, and the intention of the training of share market of basic to top. The intention of training is not to make money. I will every YouTuber or things like that. Which is seriously not make money, but just to ensure that people take advantage of this market, whether it's passive or active. This one. So hopefully this month end or this week or weekend, some guests are appearing around. So not this weekend, but next weekend we'll start that. I will not take more. I should do it online again, so I will not take a batch more than 10 so that I can answer queries. Usually the training would be on weekend based on everyone's convenience. Timing would be that. In case if you want to join, please to post some messages as well. In case if you want to join, just put a comment on this video and along with your maybe your Facebook ID or your Insta ID or anything that I can contact you. I can contact you. Then I can take it further. Fees will be don't worry about the fees. I'm also planning to see one thing is that I take fees and fees are taken because nothing cost. If you don't take fees, people can do it also. But particular time you don't put money. Psychology that people or including myself don't get serious about it. Apart from so I can do the fees to as much as I can. It can be as well restaurant fees like if you go to a restaurant and have a dinner or a lunch, that's the fee I'm going to charge. But the deciding I'm going to do is the first 10 trades. Okay, in total, if you're in profit, 50% of that I need that. So that way you'll be motivated. I will be motivated, and you earn and then you give 50% out, and then it's all yours. How does that sound? If it is good, thumbs up, like it, share it, tell your friends. Okay, I think so. It's a big video today. So take care, friends. Let's catch up tomorrow. Hopefully, tomorrow is a bouncing day. As I told you in the morning's video as well, or yesterday video as well. Today Nifty close, so everything is on like a note now. So tomorrow will be a fresh day. At the max, tomorrow there will be some dancing here and there. And from onwards, this is a blah blah blah. Will take a back seat and market will react as per our whatever elections are going on. We are to you know, friends. Okay, one more thing, remember, I think I have given it in one of the videos. If it is a weekend, if things are sensitive like Israel, we don't know what will come on weekend. If the market goes up during the day, there is a probability that it will fall down later half because people start booking profits. They just want to close the position. They don't want to take the position, especially on the weekend when the news can be positive, can be negative. Either ways, So if it goes down, people will when there are long positions, if it goes up, people will close the position and it will work. So it will be a volatile. Let's look what the VIX is. VIX is 13. It's a good week to have. That's it, friends. Take care. Have a nice day, and let's catch up tomorrow then. Thank you. Bye.